Hey there, Python programmers, and welcome back to another episode of Brad Codes. Today we're going to continue talking about looping. Again, we've gone down the road of while loops quite a bit so far. Now it's time to talk about a for loop. A for loop is very commonly used to iterate or visit all of the values in a collection. So let's start out by making a collection. Again, this is a list. In Python, we do have three data types very similar to lists. We also have tuples, which are pretty much immutable lists, and then we have sets. So again, we could be working with any of these data types, but a for loop should iterate through each and every one for us. So here we've got a list of colors. Again, when we say iterate or visit, it means, hey, we want to go through and get access to each value in this list. Syntax, that is a for in loop. For, and then we do need to make a variable. A lot of time it's a convention to do a singular, so for color in colors. Rather readable. And then we do want to use a colon to open up a block. And now in this block, whatever we want to do each time we run through our for loop, that's what we need to do. So again, we don't have to call this variable color. We could name it anything we want here. But again, a convention to have a singular, that is the same as the plural here. But for now, we could just print color each time. Let's go ahead and give it a run. And we see we iterate through each time the value that we're accessing, like in our first one, red, it takes on the value of this variable that we've had. So again, we can print it, and then we go to our next iteration of the for loop, and we hit orange as our value, blue, green, purple, so on and so forth. Real quick, let's do it with a different data type. So we'll do a tuple real quick. Calling it shape, so let's see, we'll do a circle. Square maybe? Yeah, why not? Or a rectangle. And we will do a triangle as well. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and iterate through that as well. Just showing off that, again, it doesn't have to be a list. We can do for shape in shapes. And again, we'll just do something real simple, like we'll print each shape. Let's give it a save. Give it a run. Again, very similar to how we dealt with the list. Totally just going to visit each value in that collection. Now there's one bonus we do get with a for in loop, and that is we can use this in keyword all by itself to test if a value is in a collection. Really, really useful, handy thing to do, and let me quickly show you how to do it. So let's say we want to know, is orange in our colors? We can simply print it out like that. Let's do a falsy one too, yellow in colors. And just because, we'll do one more of circle in shapes, just to, again, show it off. Do a quick clear. And let's see, we see that, hey, the first one true, orange is in colors, yellow is not in colors, so we got a false. And our last one, circle, certainly is in shapes, so hey, that evaluated to true as well. Again, really helpful. Very often we will be iterating through collections, and a for loop really is the best way to do it. Again, while loops are best for looping, iterating when we're not sure. There's a condition we need to meet that's going to stop the looping, but a for loop, it's very much, I'm going to visit everything in this collection, and I'm going to see each and every one of them. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll have another one on a little bit more advanced for loop stuff coming up. As always, if you enjoyed the video, like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon, programmers.